Hey, what's up, boys? This is the 97 third generation automatic 4Runner with the 3RC-FE engine. So the problem with this, it leaks a lot of oil like crazy. It comes up here or down here, as you can see right there. So today I'm going to replace the oil filter housing seal / O-ring or gasket. So let's go ahead and get dirty. The housing gasket is right behind this wheel on the passenger side. It's right in there. So to make it easy and fast, I'm going to remove this tire and then 3 pieces of this weather shield or cover. It's another one right here, right there. To pop these clips out of here, just get a socket and push in here like that, and it should pop out on the other side. So here's the real problem right there. Now after cleaning up, there is one bolt and there's another bolt up here, and then there's a star right here on the right side. It's very hard to reach, but it's doable. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put 2 of my extensions together and then run it through here like that, and then same thing with the stud. Make sure the tool will go always in. If not, you can make some damage right here. And then the last bolt, I'm going to run my socket through here on the top of the strut, just like that. As always, make sure your tool is on the right side, and then turn. Now here they are. Now let's pull it out. Let's see how much mess we will make. Okay, so that's how it looks like. And then on the block, that's how you see it. It's a start. And over here around this supposed to be an O-ring over here, but I cannot see it, but I can feel it right there. It's have to be very small, that's why I can't see it. I'm going to clean up now so I can slide the new one back in there. Man, this small O-ring is very pain in the butt to get it out. I had to really use my flat head screwdriver in there to pry it out. And it finally come out. It's very wore out. Now let's keep the big one out. Oop, it ripped right there. Alright, I think this is clean enough. Same thing in there, right there, very clean. So this is the part number that you need over here, and only available in 2 locations, toyotashop.com and iceperformance.com. Just make sure you get this one and not only this one. Well, in my case, I am too cheap to pay shipping, because the shipping of that it is $17. So I decided to just order this set of O-ring from Amazon. This is how they look like, red and blue. It's got all different sizes. So in my case, I'm going to use the metric. This is the bigger one and this is the smaller one. So I'm going to use this one over here. That be the R31, which that be the inside is, I guess that's the inside is the 47, and then the O-ring thickness, I think that is 3.5 millimeter, because the small one goes in here on the male. It is R16 and the ID it's 18, and the thickness it is 3.5 millimeter as well. 3.5 millimeter. Let me try to say that again. Millimeter. And on the male, the one goes in here, I'm going to use the which this one over here in the middle, that be the R16. So I hope that doesn't confuse you. I'm going to get this, it's going in like this, like that, but it have to be on the male first, just like that. I'm going to put this O-ring like that in here. It's going to take a while, but it will be in there. Here you go. Perfect. Now it's ready to go on the engine. Right there. Doesn't come out. Whoop. Oh. Sorry guys, I made a mess over here. Now you didn't have to buy the one $10 cost plus $17 shipping. So this work for me. It'd be better if you get a better type of O-ring. If it doesn't work, it's very easy to change this one out, so I don't care to do it again. Let's slide this baby back in there first. It will go in here like that. Make sure it goes in that groove in there. See, it will not go back and will not come back out. So that's good, that's very good. Before you put the housing back on, make sure lubricate this O-ring with an engine oil. That way it will go in there easy. Now put the big one back in there slowly. Make sure you... Sorry, I had to move the camera a little bit back so I can fit in there. Alright, after you straighten up like that and then start putting your bolt back on there, and you should good to go. Okay, now it's on. When you put that back on the housing, make sure you put in straight and then push it all the way through, and then even up and then start putting your bolt back on. It's mine right now. They are straight, and tighten them down. Now I'm going to torque it down to a 120 inch-pounds. That's a total of 10 foot-pounds. Now I don't know the specific spec, but I'm going to put, like I said, make sure it just clicks that way. They all even. If not, one side is loose, one side is tight, and that's not good. On this side over here, it's kind of hard to torque it down, so make sure you hold your socket in there right, that way you don't trip it. And then of course, and go ahead carefully, make sure you don't damage your screw or your bolt. That should do it. Now that's it. Let's wait. Alright, I'm back. It has been almost 2 months right now since I changed that oil filter adapter seal. Okay, let's check and see if we lost any oil or not. Alright, I hope you can see it better right there at the F. As you can see, it didn't lose any oil, so that's good. Friends, I don't see any oil here right now. Before it was very dirty over here and a lot of oil all the way out to the back. Now I don't see it. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it or help you out. Like, share, or subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Once again, thank you. Until next video. Ciao.